In 12.1, the Vertex Normal Toolkit has been updated. You can find it either in the Games form or under the Basic tab. You'll find a Vertex Normal Tools button which will give you a trimmed down version of the full UI. Included in this UI are more options for hardening and softening edges, so you can now do it by specific component types, by angle, by polygon boundary, by UV boundary, and also by UV island boundary. But there are some other very important changes which aren't immediately obvious. First of all, we now have this new crease by smoothing angle option. So by default that is on, so it's going to be using MODO's smoothing angle to define the smoothing. But if you decheck crease by smoothing angle, it effectively sets the smoothing angle to 180 degrees. So I'm just going to do some weighting on the barrel here, so I'll just hide everything else. So I'm going to harden all the edges, and then I'll soften these edges, and then just turn on weight by polygon area. So the big change here in 12.1 is that surface normals are no longer stored in a separate vertex map. They're now stored as part of MODO's native smoothing and are editable on a per material basis. So what this means is that I can happily move, rotate, or even deform this mesh, and the normals will remain intact and will not need to be redone.